Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing one of the Loveworld specials, Holy is the Lamb by Oge. Alright, so I'm going to be playing in the key of E rather. Alright, but because E has B as a chord 5, I have issues with my chord 5. Okay, as you can see, it's not working. So if you see me playing the 5 and it's like this, and this one is not showing, this B is not showing, it's part of it. Alright, so let's start with the intro. A very simple intro, like this. Okay, let me shift to this side. Alright, I think this one would do. Okay, so then so we're playing a chord 6 to F4, then to a 2 rather, to chord 2, and then a 5. So just stay on the or you can play the chord, the 6th chord, okay? Then you play a 4, then a 3, 2, then back to 5. Again. The song plays on a 6. So okay, let me play it again. Okay, so all right, so okay, let's do it again. 6 to 4. Okay, so this is your chord 6. This is a chord 4. Then you play your chord 3 like this, and then a 2, and then a 5. Essentially, this is a 5. Okay, but you can invert it. Alright, so okay, this is a 5. So again, 6. And then a 4, 5, to a 6 again, 4, and then a 5. So again, this continues till we cry. So when you get to that point, you play a 1, and then a 4, and a 5. the part where it sings hallelujah, 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 da-da-da-da-da, hallelujah, 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 da-da-da-da-da, hallelujah, 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 da-da-da-da-da, hallelujah. Alright, so essentially you're still playing the same progression, a 6, 4, 2, 5, and then back to the 6, 4, 2, 5. Then in between you play a 1, 4, 5. Then when the progression, that song, the chorus is about ending, you play a 1, a 4, and then 2, 5, 6, back to the 4, and then 5. Then hallelujah, 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 praises to your name, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Alright, so I'm going to try and play the song and then play along. Alright, so I believe this progression should be able to help you play the song. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.